Hello everyone, I'm Dimitri. I'm an architect and instructor at Labideus, and in this lesson, I'm going to show you how we can view two or more files simultaneously here in AutoCAD. So by default, when we have more than one file open in AutoCAD, we'll have tabs up here. You can switch between these tabs using the shortcut Control+Tab, right? So you can keep switching there. In this case, I have an electrical plan and a plumbing plan, and I want to see both files here on the screen. For that, you can be in any of the open files. In the top tab, we're going to look for the Views tab, and at the end, we'll have two options for splitting the view, either vertical or horizontal. I'm going to choose the vertical option. Just a reminder, sometimes the Start screen will also be here splitting the view, and you can minimize it to leave only your two files open. And in this case, I can view both files without having to keep switching between tabs. To go back to having just one file open, like before, just select the file you want and click the Expand tab, to maximize it. And then you'll have just one file open. So this is a really important feature if you want to view both files, compare them for any issues, and always keep your project more accurate. Just a reminder, we have a really cool AutoCAD course, which is linked in the description. Take a look. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I'll see you in the next classes. Thank you very much.